Okay, for 120, they want us to solve these equations, so let's kind of quickly go through these. A, right, I have 6x minus 11 equals 4x plus 12. Subtract 4x from both sides, we get 2x minus 11 equals 12. Add 11 to both sides, we get 2x equals 23. And divide by 2, and we get x equals 23 halves. Right? And we can leave the answer just like that. For B, we distribute in, we get 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10 equals 6x minus 4. If we subtract 6x from both sides, we get negative 10 equals negative 4. When does that happen? It never happens. So there's no solution. There's no value for the variable that will make that equation true. For C, let's try to fit it in here. We use FOIL to multiply the left side. X times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times 4 is 12 equals x squared plus 4. We combine our like terms. Plus 4x minus 3x is plus 1x minus 12 equals x squared plus 4. Subtract x squared from both sides, we get x minus 12 equals 4. Add 12 to both sides, we get x equals 16 for C. Okay, for D, let's make some space. For D, we have x over 25 equals 7 over 10. We could cross multiply, right? 25 times 7 equals 10 times x. So 25 times 4 is 100, so that's 175 equals 10x. And we divide by 10, and we get 175 over 10 equals x. A common denominator for this one is 5, right? 5 goes into 175 35 times. And 5 goes into 10 twice. So we get x equals 35 halves for D. For E, let's see if we can fit it here. For E, we have 2/3 x plus 3 equals 1/4 x minus 7. I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 12 just so I could get rid of these fractions. So 12 times 2/3 is 8, right? 8x plus 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 1/4 is 3x. And 12 times 7 is 84, right? So now we can, let's see, subtract 36 from both, or subtract 3x from both sides. So we have 5x plus 36 equals negative 84. We can now subtract 36 from both sides, right? Minus 36. So we get, what is that, 0, 12, negative 120. And, right, that was minus 36 on both sides. And then we can divide by 5, right? So x equals, 5 goes into negative 120, negative 24 times. So x equals negative 24 for E. And the last one, F, let me make space. F of x plus x over 3 equals 4. So this one, we could do this a couple ways. I'm just going to multiply both sides by 3, both sides of the equation by 3, right? By 3. So I get 3x plus 3 times that is x equals 3 times 4 is 12. So 4x equals 12, x equals 3 for the last one. Again, when you have fractions and you don't want fractions, use your multiplication property of equality to get rid of them.